A for ant, ant means चींटी. B for banana, banana means केला. C for car, car means car. D for doll, doll means गुड़िया. E for egg, egg means अंडा. F for flower, flower means फूल. G for girl, girl means लड़की. H for hat, hat means टोपी. I for igloo, igloo means हिमकुटी. J for joker, joker means जोकर. K for kite, kite means पतंग. L for lotus, lotus means कमल. M for mango, mango means आम. N for noodles, noodles means noodles. O for orange, orange means संतरा. P for pencil, pencil means pencil. Q for quilt, quilt means रजाई. R for radish, radish means मूली. S for sheep, sheep means भेड़. T for tortoise, tortoise means कछुआ. U for uniform, uniform means वर्दी. V for vegetables, vegetable means सब्जियां. W for well, well means कुआं. X for Xmas, Xmas means Christmas का पेड़. Y for yarn, yarn means धागा. Z for zip, zip means चैन.